Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am very happy to meet you all for the trade plan in Nifty and Banknifty for upcoming week. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In case if you are a beginner in stock market and if you are a new subscriber of my YouTube channel, you can go through the playlist videos and I have segregated into different parts. You can check the stock market for beginners in English. You can see CPR indicator strategies in animated form and you can see all the CPR indicator strategies in English. You can see Banknifty review videos and also you can watch few other videos like general topics, trade plan for Nifty and Banknifty, etc. So you can go through all the videos in my YouTube channel which may help you to increase your price action trading knowledge and psychology. Alright, let us look at the trade plan for Nifty and Banknifty. So Nifty has broken the Dow theory structure as we have discussed in the earlier trade plan, and easily the target has been reached by Nifty. And now we are anticipating that Nifty may go towards this particular resistance level because these are the lower highs which has formed in Nifty, right? So these are the lower highs formed in Nifty. So we are expecting these resistance levels as our upcoming targets. Now, before we expect Nifty to go to these upcoming targets, we have to study how Nifty came to this target. Now, Nifty broke this resistance Dow theory level and it easily reached this target. How did it reach this target? It reached this target without even breaking previous day low. So, the first point which you have to note down here is Nifty has not broken any of the previous day low levels. And the second point is continuously Nifty is breaking the previous day high levels. You can see over here, every day the previous day high is getting broken. And that's how Nifty was able to reach this target very easily. Alright. So, if Nifty has to reach the next target, then the same character should be seen in Nifty. It should not break previous day low and it should continuously break the previous day high levels. So these two conditions should be satisfied. Only then Nifty will turn into a bullish stock and the next target will be reached easily. And now I want Nifty to trade above daily CPR levels every day. Now, if you look at the Nifty 5 minutes chart, constantly it has been trading above daily CPR. This entire month, it was trading above daily CPR levels, above R1 and previous day high levels. So, this is a good factor that that particular index is going to be bullish. Okay, and even if Nifty tries to comes down, quickly it reverses and it goes above daily CPR. So that is the tendency of a instrument which is having aggressive bullish trend. So if this continues, if Nifty stays above previous day high and if Nifty stays above daily CPR, I will constantly look for long positions until my next target is reached. Now in case if I am getting any bear candle over here, now you know that this is a resistance and this is also another resistance. Now I am expecting Nifty to reach resistance 2. So this resistance 1 should allow the candles to go up. This resistance 1 should act as a support. It should act as a supporting factor. Instead, if this resistance 1 starts giving resistance for the candle and if it is not allowing the candles to go up, then I should plan for a short opportunity. Alright, I should plan for a short opportunity. So every time you can see a particular stock will struggle around the resistance or support levels only. Now for example, you can look over here. So this is a strong support level and you can see multiple days, several days Nifty has been taking supports. It has been struggling to break that support, but it was unable to break, and finally it took support and then it started to rise. Alright, so now once again Nifty is at a very important resistance level. Whether it is able to go up or whether it is taking resistance and if it is trying to come down, we have to wait and see, and as per that particular character we will decide our trade. In case if Nifty reverses from this resistance 1, I will look for short opportunities below daily CPR and below S1 previous day low. In case if Nifty breaks this resistance, and as usual if Nifty breaks previous day high levels and if Nifty is not breaking previous day low levels, then I will look for long opportunities only. Now the same character applies to Banknifty as well. You can see Banknifty having a similar character. It broke Dow theory levels. It reached the next two target levels in a single candle, and it did not break previous day low levels at any point of time. The candles were struggling around previous day low, but it was not broken. And every day the market was going up by breaking previous day high levels. If you look over here, every day, every single day, single candle's high was broken in the next day, right? So here also the previous day high is broken, and this previous day high is broken, this previous day high is broken. So the character which we saw in Nifty is happening in Banknifty as well. Previous day low levels were not broken and previous day high levels were broken every day. That's how Banknifty was able to travel from here to here, from roughly around 40,000 till 42,100. It easily traveled because of this character. So if this character continues, if Banknifty is not breaking previous day low and if Banknifty goes above previous day high, then very soon we can expect 43,000 levels. Alright. In case if this character is not able to continue, in case if Banknifty breaks previous day low, in case if Banknifty is not able to go above previous day high, then I will plan for a short opportunity. Now we can see over here, Banknifty has broken this resistance successfully. Now with the same character Banknifty has to go up, then I will trust bulls. I will take long position above daily CPR, above R1 and previous day high. In case if Banknifty is struggling to go above this resistance level, and if it comes down and if it breaks every day's low, then I will look for short opportunities below daily CPR, below S1 and previous day low. So a very simple trade plan in Banknifty as well as in Nifty we have seen. So I hope this trade plan is very